Well, there's a few things that let Travis down a little bit. Wheels being one of them. Time to fix it.
In fairness, he's been a working van for most of his life, but I would like something a bit nicer looking. I don't have the funds just now to get anything too fancy, so a good refurb is going to have to do. Now, I don't know if it counts as cheating, but I managed to pick up a full set of Steelies from work, so I don't have to worry about getting the van off the road, or even worse, having to refurb them whilst they're on the van. First things first, I broke out the drill and the wire wheel and got to work cleaning up the worst of the rust, which there was plenty of. Now, for the bits I couldn't get into, the guys at work offered to help. They've got the airline, they've got the little mini drill, so a big shout to Ian and Davey for their help. Thank you guys. Straightforward enough, I took each wheel as far back as I could before getting a couple of layers of etch primer on. If I was really that bothered, I could have had them sent away for cleaning up, but like I said, I'm doing this on a budget. I went for 2 or 3 coats of primer, making sure to cover the outer lip. I let them dry for a bit and then got out the actual paint. I got these on eBay, but before I can get the actual colour on, I've got a little bit of wet sanding to do.
So all I'm going to do for now is go over it with some P1200 just so the paint has something to stick to. Just give it a light sanding, and I'm hoping, because it's so sunny, it's not going to take very long to dry.
Now there wasn't too much in the way of paint runs, but where I had gone a little bit too thick, well, I had to sand the back of it.
So I've made sure that the wheel's nice and dry. It's got a bit of a key, which you can see there, that's fine. The other thing that I've learned over the years, chuck your paint in some warm water. You still need to give it a good shake before you use it, but it definitely helps get the coats on more evenly. There you go, free top tip.
Yes, science!
Now this is something I haven't seen before. Under the nozzle, there's like a little cap you have to prise off before you can actually get the spray paint out. That just confused the hell out of me. It doesn't take much, to be fair, but you know. Right, here we go. So that's it after one coat. It's weird, it doesn't look like it's any different to the primer, but it is subtly different, so quite happy with that. Get another couple of coats on and then I can get some lacquer and happy days. That is coming up really nicely. Not that long ago it was just a rusty transit wheel. That looks pretty cool. So now I've just got to wait. Oh, at least it's a nice day for it. I'm not patient. I just want to get them done.
At this point, I was away in Ireland for a few days. When I got back, it was time to hammer out the back of the wheels. You shouldn't ever really see this, but it's the kind of thing that would annoy me, so might as well get it done while I can. Now, it's the same idea with the lacquer. Basically, build up a few coats as evenly as possible. Again, I think I went for about 3 coats in the end, giving them about half an hour between coats to dry. And obviously I booked the sunniest day I possibly could, so it seemed to go off quite quickly.
So I've done exactly the same to these centre caps. I don't think they ever put them on Mark 7s, they were only ever on Mark 6s, but I've given them a wee key with a 1200 and a couple of coats of primer and some gunmetal grey. I'm sure that'll turn up nice. Happy days. And that's the first 2 centre caps with a good couple of coats of primer on them. I'll give them another few minutes and then they're going to get some gunmetal grey as well. Look at that shine. I mean, it's obviously going to need a wet sand when I come back, but you know, it'll do.
As always, it's all about the prep. I must have spent a good bit of time between getting the wheels and the caps cleaned up, priming them, painting them, lacquering them. It's amazing that just a few weeks ago, these were just another set of transit van wheels. They were tired looking, they were rusty, but now look at them. With the wheels finished, I got the van on the ramps at work to get them swapped over. Brand new winter tyres for the front, but there's nothing wrong with the ones in the back, so we got those swapped over. And just like that, one set of new to me wheels. Which I did!